Jai Hind students. Today we will continue with the same chapter, that is Panchayati Raj. In today's e-lesson, we will mainly discuss about Nyaya Panchayat and the role of Panchayati Raj system in women empowerment. Nyaya Panchayat. In some of the villages, we also find Nyaya Panchayat. The members of the Nyaya Panchayat are appointed by the village Panchayat. The Nyaya Panchayats listen to cases such as minor thefts, trespassing, that is to enter someone's land or property without permission, family feuds or disputes, and other small cases. Nyaya Panchayats can impose fines up to 100 rupees but cannot send anyone to prison. The benefit of the Nyaya Panchayat is that it helps to resolve minor cases at the local level in an inexpensive way. Such cases are resolved fast and help the parties involved save money and time. However, if a person is not satisfied by the settlement of a case, she can always take the case to the High Court. Thus, the whole idea of the Panchayati Raj is to encourage people's participation at the grassroots level. The role of the Gram Sabha is perhaps the most important in ensuring the success of the Panchayati Raj institutions at the village level. The role of the local people in conducting social audit and fixing responsibility on panchayat functionaries is also an important aspect of the Gram Sabha. In order to ensure the implementation of the Panchayati Raj in all the states, the Ministry of the Panchayati Raj looks into all matters relating to the Panchayati Raj and its institutions. It also organizes awards for the best panchayat and it also grants funds to the backward regions. And it also works for the development and training of the panchayats. Panchayati Raj empowers women. The year 1993 is considered an important turning point in the history of India. As in this year, our constitution was amended and 33% reservation was made for women in the Panchayati Raj post. Later on, in 2009, the central government further approved reservation of 50% in the Gram Panchayats for women. But this has been implemented or executed in some of the states of India. Women have now begun to take charge of their official responsibilities in panchayats. In Tamil Nadu and Karnataka, empowerment of women through the panchayats has led to their networking into federations of elected women representatives. Women's collective voice can help in resolving issues of social reforms such as discontinuing child marriages, ensuring that girl child go to school and curbing liquor consumption among rural men folk. Now I would like to give you some important information about Block Samiti and Zilla Parishad. Number of villages combined together form a block. The Panchayat Samiti or Block Samiti has some representatives. These are the Sarpanch of Gram Panchayats, members of parliament, members of legislative assembly and members of legislative council who belong to that particular block. Some nominated members are also there. These nominated members are of scheduled caste and scheduled tribes. and the block development officer is also there. Panchayat Samiti performs some functions like it makes plans for the overall development of the entire block. It supervises the functioning of the village panchayats. It draws the attention of the state and central government towards major problems faced by the people of their block if they are unable to control them. Zilla Parishad. Zilla Parishad or District Panchayat works at the district level. It is also responsible for making plans for the development of the entire district. The District Commissioner is the Chief Executive Officer of the Zilla Parishad. It involves some members, pramukhs of the block samitis, members of parliament, members of legislative assembly, as well as members of legislative council from that district, chairperson of the municipal officer and the representatives of SC/ST. It performs some functions like it is responsible for the overall supervision of all works in the district. It supervises and implements all projects which are funded by the state and central government, and it also regulates the fund allotments to the blocks. Let's recap whatever we have discussed in this chapter. Panchayati Raj is a system of self-governance at the local level. It involves 3 tiers: Gram Panchayats, Panchayat Samitis and Zilla Parishad. All big villages have the Gram Sabha, Gram Panchayat and the Nyay Panchayat. Gram Panchayat looks after the social, economic and cultural needs of the villages. In the Gram Panchayat, there is representation of women, scheduled caste and scheduled tribes along with other backward classes. There is Nyay Panchayat also, which resolves petty cases at the village level. Now there are some textbook questions based on the content which we have covered in the E-Lesson 3. These textbook questions are to be done in the civics notebook. C part, answer the following questions in 10 to 20 words. C4, which ministry was formed at the government level to govern the Panchayati Raj? Answer, the Ministry of the Panchayati Raj was formed at the government level to govern the Panchayati Raj. C5, what is the primary duty of the Nyay Panchayats? Answer, the primary duty of the Nyay Panchayat is to resolve petty cases at the village level. D part, answer the following questions in 50 to 70 words. D5, how does Panchayati Raj empower women? Answer, in the year 1993, our constitution was amended and 33% reservation was made for women in the Panchayati Raj post. Later in 2009, the Government of India approved 50% reservation of women in the Panchayati Raj institutions. Giving representation to the women in the Panchayati Raj helped them in the following ways. First, they have the right to speak for themselves and other women as well. Second, they can help in eradicating social evils in the villages related to women like child marriage, gender discrimination, dowry deaths, domestic violence, etc. Third, they can work for making women self-dependent by educating them and providing them employment opportunities. Answer the following questions in 80 to 100 words. E2. Write a short note on Nyay Panchayat. Answer. Nyay Panchayat is an important institution of the Panchayati Raj system. It has the powers of local court, though its members are elected by the Gram Panchayat only, but no member of Gram Panchayat can be appointed as the member of Nyay Panchayat. The Nyay Panchayats listen to cases, such as minor thefts, trespassing, that is to enter someone's land without permission, family feuds or disputes, and other small cases. They can impose fines but cannot send anyone to prison. The advantage of the Nyaya Panchayat is that it helps to resolve minor cases at the local level in an inexpensive way. F part, think and answer. These are individual response based answers, but still you may refer them. How has the system of Panchayati Raj benefited villages and people? Do you think it has disadvantages as well? Answer. The Panchayati Raj has set up a link between the government and the villages in every corner of the country. The villages in India have become politically awakened, and in almost every home, people discuss about the problems of the country. It has strengthened the foundation of the Indian democracy. We don't think it has disadvantages, but still we can see that the Panchayati Raj has not been able to achieve its aim fully. The elected representatives often forget their duties and promises which they made with the villagers at the time of elections. Second question, what do you think are the qualities that the elected members must have to successfully lead and represent the village and its people? Answer, first, they should have good and inspiring leadership quality. Second, they should have complete knowledge about the village area from which they are elected. Third, they should be ready to serve the society selflessly. Fourth, they should be fair and objective. Fifth, they should have the knowledge about the government plans and policies related to village development. So children, your today's homework is to complete the textbook question answers which we have discussed and also to revise the lesson. Next time we will meet again with the new chapter. Stay safe, stay blessed. Thank you.